Hey there, foodies. Have you ever tried a dessert that combines beans and shaved ice? Well, get ready to unwrap the mystery of a unique and beloved Filipino treat, the Halo Halo. Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the colorful and flavorful world of Filipino Halo dessert. This mixed dessert is a true representation of the diverse cultural influences in Filipino cuisine. Now, the challenge lies in understanding the intricate combination of ingredients in Halo and the fascinating history behind its creation. It's not just a dessert, it's a cultural journey on a spoon. Let's delve into the tantalizing components of Halo. From sweet beans, tropical fruits, and colorful jellies, to finely shaved ice. Each ingredient carries a unique cultural significance, blending together to create a symphony of flavors and textures. The magic happens when all these vibrant ingredients come together in a bowl of Halo. Picture the moment when the dessert is served, showcasing a rainbow of colors and a delightful mix of textures that make Halo truly one of a kind. In summary, Halo's origins date back to the Philippines, evolving over time to become a popular dessert, not only in its home country, but also worldwide. Its rich history and diverse flavors continue to captivate dessert lovers everywhere. I hope you enjoyed unwrapping the mystery of the Filipino Halo dessert with me. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried Halo before? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more cultural food explorations on our channel. Thanks for watching.